that shit hit me. I was like, what the fuck? What's up, guys? D-Lo Higgins here, back with another fucking video for y'all. So look, before I start this, I need y'all to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted. What's up, guys? D-Lo Higgins 26, baby. And mailman just dropped off something. The mail lady. She didn't drop it this time. She didn't throw it. She actually, I guess, placed it on the doorstep because the box looked like it was placed there. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to add another set of 8 to my doors, or if I want to add a second, like 2 sets of 6x5s to my doors. I already have the FSX 6x5s from Scar Audio in the doors in the stock locations. So 4 of those. I have one 8-inch FSX from Scar in the rear deck, and then I have the 4. What is it, like the TX35s or something like that from Scar Audio. All of that on the TS400 by Tar Amps. I was like, cool. I flipped the box around, as y'all saw in the previous video, and it's hitting way harder now. I didn't mind when I had it flipped around port facing in the car and I sealed it up with a Mat 66. I didn't really mind it, because it gave me more pressure. It gave me more feeling. But when I flipped the box around to where the port's facing the trunk, it's like a whole nother experience. But that's not why we're here today. We're here to talk about something that I ordered that we're putting in a car. And it's called Alphasonik. Have no idea if y'all have heard of that. I haven't heard of it before, but they look pretty decent. Oh yeah, Alphasonik Abm65 dynamic series. That's not how you spell dynamic, but it's okay. Experienced. See, I know it says something else somewhere on this box. Go ahead and flip this over right quick, show y'all the bottom of it. Proud sponsors. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Six-inch mid-range. 1.5-inch copper coil. We'll see. So, here are the little specs right quick. You can get them. That's the tweeter. The ABT22. You can get them at 6x5 or the 8. We got the 6x5, so RMS is 150, power is 600. Basket is an ABS, all aluminum. Aluminum basket. No. ABS. What does ABS mean? I'm gonna have to look that up. 24-ounce magnet, 4 ohm. 80 hertz all the way to 15,000 hertz. Displacement. Designed and engineered in the USA, made in China. Hey, it's funny. I used to work for a company. I won't call them out or nothing, but I used to work for a company that made copper. But what they did was they bought the copper. First off, they had a warehouse in Texas, like 5 minutes from the Mexican border. So there was a warehouse in Mexico that made copper. So what the company did that I worked for, they would buy the copper wholesale from the Mexican supplier, bring it back over, put their little touches on it, and stamp made in the USA, and then sell it to everybody else. I'm talking China, literally whoever you could think of, anybody overseas, because they thought it was made in the USA. Come on, be smart about it. But back to what comes in the box. Attention. Yep. So that means don't contact Amazon, because this is where I got them from. Don't contact Amazon or eBay. Contact them. Nice little manual. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, who really manuals anyway? Do we really read the manuals? Of course we do. Because when we put a bunch of money in the car audio, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little congested. When we put a bunch of money in the car audio, we gotta start reading manuals. But anyway, this is how they come packaged. Now I already took them out to actually look at it, but you get some mountain screws, some little brackets. Let's take this. Oh, hold on, we'll be right back. Alright, we had to get it in the sun so y'all can get the full view of it. Alphasonik. It's a little plastic cover that little grill comes over, but it's the actual speaker itself. Abm65 Alphasonik. It's a single hookup. I'm not gonna lie, those are, hold on, there's some nice tensils right there. Okay, can y'all see those? Bruh, those are some nice. Oh, let me see if I can put this light on for y'all. Bruh, look at that. I don't mean, I'm not gonna try to call nobody out, but bro, I know a few subwoofers that you spend a little bit of money on that don't even come like that. That's not even wired that good. Like, what the boy? Oh, that's just, look at that. You got a little black glue right there, but yeah, I really feel good about those. Because I don't know if y'all remember with the Gravity sub, they had the little cheap things. As you see, we got some venting down here, some cooling. It would be dope if they put another terminal over here, but it's okay. Alphasonik Abm65. 500 series. Now, like I said, when we read the back of the box, it's 150 RMS, 600 watts max. So we'll be doing a little something. I'm gonna add these. I don't really know where I'm gonna add these to the doors. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna add that all in this video. So this is gonna be one all-on-one video. It's gonna be done. Actually, no. I'm gonna leave the unboxing as itself, and then I'm gonna drop another video of me cutting the doors and putting those in. That's exactly what we're gonna do, because we already pushing 7 minutes. So this is what I was looking at. You're almost there. It's crazy because you're never almost there. When it comes to car audio, you think you're almost there, but it's like you get used to it and it's like, I'm not loud enough. I need to get louder. But I want to see how these things sound. It just looks good. I wish that was a tweeter, but it's not. It's okay. You got the paper cone. I think it's paper, if I'm not mistaken. See, I got y'all here. Let's see. Where's it at? Where's it at? Here we go. Yeah, non-pressed paper cone. A cloth surround. That's what that is. A cloth surround. This is what I'm looking off of right here. Same thing that it said on the back of the box, which I'm not gonna lie, that's what I like. It says the same thing on the box. It tells you attention. But anyway, so yeah, next video. Just wait for the next video, y'all. D-Lo Higgins 26, baby. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out. Peace.